Probably.
Oh, like 50.
Welcome back to the Leah Show. Just kidding. Okay, this is double 9. Nice blue. Come on, camera, come through. Actually, a nice baby blue. And last but not least, 010. It's just a gold. It's just a gold. Oh my goodness, it's just a gold. Woo! Look at. Holy bling bling. That one's going to be really nice.
I would get that on my nails.
Yeah, that is going to be perfect. Heckin' yeah, look at. Oh yeah, I'm going to have fun with these.
That's really nice.
Isn't it?
Dang.
Hello. And you know, I'm going to have so much fun. It doesn't actually move. I thought maybe it's spread out like watery, but it's really pigmented. Thank goodness. Good job, Max. Good job. Okay, a few more things, guys. A few more things. I got the sour candy forms. Foils. I don't know if anybody's actually seen these, but I think I'm gonna really, really like these. So there's like Love is in the Air, little heart pops, really cute. And then I wanted to see what this was. I couldn't see it through the picture. That's the problem with Max's pictures. You cannot see anything. So that's the videos, guys. If I can't find videos on product that I want to buy, then neither can you. So I'm going to show you. Oh, hey, these are cool. Salsa Mambo. Cool. I like this one. That's really neat. Really neat. Who says that? Old people. I don't even know what this is. You Are My Sunshine? I think just more like tinier lovey-dovey stuff. Little kissy, whatever. This one's cool. Lemon. It's like a Western kind of ropey. Yeah, I like it. Oh no, those aren't lemons. Those are pirate ship handle thingies. What are they called? Steering handle thingies. The steering? The pirate ship steering?
The wheel.
Yeah, thanks. The wheel. The wheel. It's kind of neat, I guess.
They're cool.
Yeah, not bad. This one, just a bunch of roses. Oops, there you go. Kind of pretty. That one's full coverage, though. Some of them are full coverage. Did I just show you this one? No, I didn't. These ones are cute, too. Little cupcakes and cutie bears and hello sunshines. Oh, there's some Japanese, Korean, something. Writing? Cool. That's really cool. I love it. I love that writing. And then some flowers, good for spring. Ta-da! Okay, now these ones are the blooming gels. And the blooming gels are blooming hard to open. There we go. So this one's supposed to be the clear. It doesn't, in camera, stupid. Doesn't really, yeah, it's just clear. So the blooming gels, you add this like a top coat, like you would a top coat, but then you add your art so it blooms out. And why I got the clear, I don't know. Oh, because I wanted to do it over color. So if you have like I don't know, like any color really, you can put this over top and then you can add your art. But this one is actually black, so if you want to use it, oh, and it changes color, I was told. Hold on. Come on, camera. There you go. It's kind of a gray black, to tell you the truth, but it's supposed to change color, so is it changing yet? Nope. They lied. It does not change color. Or maybe it does under the lamp. Who knows? My nails are pretty cold. All right. That is that for that. And then, if I cannot make too much noise, I will show you the lamp. So this is the new, hold on. This is the new Barbie lamp. Yeah, the packaging, cool, very nice. The one that I have, oh my goodness. Ta-da, there we go. So this is just the pink. It's exactly, yep, exactly the same, only This one doesn't have the like halo kind of look to it, but this one is stronger. Stronger? More power. I believe the one I have is a 72 and this one's an 86. So, a new Barbie lamp. I don't know what it's going to be like, but I will show you. Oh, there's some weird stuff going on here. What's that? It looks like it's been dropped on its head. Maybe there's plastic on it? I don't know. Doesn't look that awesome though. Oh, more stuff. Inside looks good. I'm happy. Anyway, guys, that's all I have for you today. Hopefully you can see what I've put online here so that you can see what the new stuff Max has. It's actually very annoying when you don't have anything like color swatches, whatever, that are true to form. So hopefully you guys enjoy this, and bye!